How's it going, Eastwood fam? Joe here. When it comes to bead rolling larger panels, it usually means recruiting a buddy or a wife to help hold and prevent that panel from flopping around all over the place. And that leaves us at the mercy of others, waiting for that extra hand. We can do better than that. This is why we've come up with our Bead Roller Table, which is perfect for helping supporting long panels while also increasing precision on smaller, more artful projects. Best of all, this table fits most plate-style bead rollers that are a ½ inch thick, including our 19-inch bead roller and other brands. With our customer satisfaction guarantee, try this out on your bead roller with confidence. We include a template and mounting instructions, making installation super easy. We even have another video detailing that process available for you to watch. Its heavy-duty tube frame construction and thick 18-gauge steel table surface offers the durability you've come to expect from Eastwood. There are also adjustable mounting tabs for convenient height adjustment, which is perfect for working with different sized dies. A feature I really appreciate is the tool-free quick-release pin, which facilitates quick die change on the fly. We all know time is money, and one less hiccup is always appreciated. The Eastwood Bead Roller Table is the third or even fourth hand we wish we had in the shop and makes quick work of bead rolling those larger panels when you're all alone. Best of all, we include our 1-year warranty with the unit, all at a cost that won't break the bank. For more information on this unit or our other bead rolling metal fab offerings, visit eastwood.com.